What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today I'm going to be installing a genuine BMW alarm kit on my 2008 BMW 135i. So basically this alarm kit is only for pre-wired BMWs. I believe up to March 2009 is when they stopped pre-wiring the alarm system. So pre-wiring means that you only have to get these few parts, you put it in, code it, and it's done. For cars after March 2009, you have to get a separate unit, not from BMW. When I had my 2010 135i, I was looking into getting the DEI, I don't remember the exact number. That kit would work with the CAN bus. It's a CAN bus alarm, so it doesn't use any like alarm wiring. It actually uses your CAN bus to detect if the door's opened, if something's knocked, stuff like that. The only problem with the DEI one is that there's not really straightforward instructions because it's a universal kit for like all cars in general, but that specific unit also works on BMWs like E90-ish generation, E82. So now that that car is gone, this car is in. I have a pre-wired system. I can make it a lot easier, get the genuine BMW alarm, code it in myself. It's a lot simpler to do. Alright, so you might be saying, why are you putting an alarm system in? It's not effective for catching whoever is stealing your car. That's true, but I really only wanted the beeping on the remote. You could get the beeping with the Remote Key Plus module, but that's not OEM and it's $300, so why would I do that? Might as well just go for the OEM solution. Also, whenever like there's an alarm beeping in our area, I always go look to see who it is, and yeah, so it's not really, so I didn't really get it for other people to like see it beeping and like try to check it out. It's only for if I'm there, I hear beeping, then I'll go check it out, but yeah. So this is the part number for the kit, for the E82 kit. I believe it's the exact same parts as the E90, but the E90 has a different part number for their kit. This is the E82 kit. I'll put the E90 kit number right here. So this kit comes with the ultrasonic sensor that goes inside the car under your rear dome light. Then it comes with a hood pin switch that goes on your cowl. And then it comes with the siren with, this is the mounting hardware for the siren. It goes underneath the rear left wheel well. And then I'll be showing how to code it afterwards. So as with all BMW electronic related stuff, first thing you want to do is disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. So first thing you're going to do is put in the ultrasonic sensor. So I'm just going to go at it from the back. And there we go. That was, I swear I did not do this beforehand. So as you can see, there's an unused wire right here. This is for the ultrasonic. So I'm just gonna unplug this. There's 2 tabs on each side. Okay, anyways, so this basically goes in like this. And it just snaps in. Like that. See, now it's fully snapped in. Now I need to somehow disconnect this. Holy, okay. Finally got it out. So now, just reconnect it back into the ultrasonic sensor. See, now it's wired up. So now this can go back into here. So you first want to get it in on the back, like that, and then push it in. Yep, so that's the ultrasonic sensor installed. Okay, so next up is the hood pin. So just open up the hood. And if you look, let me get my light. So if you look right here, so it will focus. This little thing right here, if you ever wondered what it was, it's for your hood pin. So basically you just unwrap this. Here, let me set it up. Okay, so next we're going to take the hood pin bracket, put it in like that, and push it in, and it will seat itself. Now you just take the Phillips screw, and then you just screw it in. Okay, so now it's fully tightened in. Now I skipped a step, but you know how to disconnect this thing now. what you're gonna do is pop it in, that, and then you just plug this this part in right here, like so, and then you see this little clip thing here that just clips on the side, like that, to keep the wiring just you know, neat. There we go. So when the hood's closed, it goes down. When it's open, it's up. So that's the hood pin done. Okay, so next we're gonna wanna connect the siren up to the siren, like this mount piece. So just take one of the washers and make sure the connector's on this side. Okay, so that's tight all the way now. And now we can go to jacking up the car. Wow, this thing is really dusty right now. So there's 3 8mm right here, and there's a 10 here, here, up there, here, and that's it. So there's 4 10s, and then there's 3 8s. Okay, so you can see up in the fender liner now. So that's where the siren's gonna go. And I don't know if you saw in the previous clip, but as I took it off, all this fluff came out of here. I guess that's what they use to, I don't know, sound deaden or something like that. So I'm gonna put that back up if I could afterwards. If I can't, then it's fine. But take that out, and now you can see that the wire is already there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get this felt thing off. Felt tape. And then here is the wire. So as with the other one, there's a cover on here. So now we're gonna take the bracket, these 3 posts right here. That's where this goes. That, and then get 3 washers like this that you'll use. So I'm just gonna thread them on there first, and then get the rest on after. Okay, there we go. Now the bracket is in there, nice and solid. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the piece off of the connector, push it in right there, pop it off. Now I'm gonna get the siren and plug it in. Okay, so that's in now. So I'm just gonna take this fluff, I guess, put it up top. Okay, so now it's time to put the felt liner back on. And now it's time to just reconnect the battery. Okay, and now it's time for coding. Alright, so first thing I want to do is check if car is connected properly with IMPA. Nope, it is not. See? Oh, my ignition's not even on properly. Connect it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes and yes. I'm gonna close that. Now we're gonna open up NCS Expert. So we're gonna go to File, Load Profile, Manipulation, then Start Chassis, E89 for E90 E82s. CAS is fine. Let that load up. Now everything's up here. Vehicle order. So now we're gonna go back and we're gonna do F2, edit VOFA. Choose E89 again. Click OK. Now I already did this, because I wanted to make sure I know what I'm doing. But basically you want to add $302, and then you click here. Let me delete mine. Never mind, I'm not gonna do that. So $302, click add, and you do plus K302 and add, and then you're gonna click OK. So I already have it. I have $302 here and plus create 302 here. So I'm gonna click OK. Then I'm gonna go to back. Then I'm gonna do process ECU, CAS, OK. Then change job, FA right, click OK. Then you're gonna execute job. This is job active. Now job ended. Now we're going to go back, start, chassis, FRM, OK. Let that load up again. Edit FOVA, E89, OK, OK. Now you're going to add the same thing, $302 and plus K302. Add both of them again. Type it here, click add, type it here, click add, OK. Then we're going to go back. Then we're going to go process ECU. Now we're going to go to NFRM, because I don't have an FRM, so I'm just going to do NFRM, that's fine. Click OK. Change job, FA right, click OK, and then execute job. Now it says job active, now job ended. Okay, so I've done those two. So next we're going to default code the CAS, DY, DWAS, and Combi. So first, back, start, chassis, OK. Let that load. I'm going to go back. Now we're going to do process ECU. Then we're going to do CAS first, click OK. So now you're going to go to your work folder. So you're going to go this PC, local disk C. Then you're going to go to NCSX per, click that. Then work. Then you're going to see this PSW underscore, I can't even read properly, FSW underscore PSW. You're going to open the man, and you're just going to Control A, erase it, save it. Now back here, we're going to change job to SG Codeirin. Select that, execute job. Coding is now ended. So now we're going to do the DY. So we're going to go back, start, chassis, CAS is fine. Let that load. I'm going to go back, process ECU. Now we're going to DWI, DWAI. Click OK. Then we're going to double check, go back into your work, and open the FSW underscore PSW.MAN. Open it, make sure it's blank. Once it's blank, you're going to make sure it says SG Codeirin, and execute job. Coding ended. So now back to main. Repeat the same thing. So
chassis, CAS is fine. Then back. Okay, process ECU. So now it's going to do the DWAS, so DWAS. Click OK. And then make sure again that the file is blank, the man file. Make sure it says SG Codeirin, and then execute job. Okay, coding ended. So now we're going to do the combi, so same thing. Start, chassis, CAS, wait, back. Process ECU. Now we're going to go to combi. Right there. Click OK. Make sure the file is blank. File is blank, we're good. Then make sure it says SG Codeirin, execute job.
okay, so now all three of them are now cleared. So now we're gonna enable the ultrasonic sensor. Don't worry about that beep. That's my chime, because I changed my head unit, so I have an annoying chime. But anyways, I'm gonna wait for that to end. Okay, finally. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to main. Start, chassis, CAS, okay. Back, process ECU, we're gonna do DWI again, DWAI. Click OK. Now change job, we're going to do Codeirin lesson. So click Codeirin lesson, OK, and then execute job. Coding active, coding ended. So now we're going to go to the work file, go to the TRC, open it, and file, save as, change that to .man, all files, save. Yes, replace it, close it, open the MAN. So now we're gonna look for Funk Innenraum, this one, that one. Funk Innenraum Schluch. German stuff. Anyways, it says niche active, which is false. So we're gonna change this to just active, AKTIV. Then we're gonna do Control S to save it. Once it's saved, you can close it. Go back to NCS Expert. Now from here, change job. Change it to SG Codieren, which is right. Click OK. Then we're gonna execute job. Coding active, coding ended. And that is all the coding. So now we can close this, and now we can test it out. And if you don't have iDrive, you can configure the beeping with the stock here. So you click it to select and go up and down. So I'm gonna go up and down to go to the key one, which is this one. Click it in. And then you can configure it here. So you click on the lock one and you can select if you want just the beep, just the light, or both, or none of them. I want both. Okay, and then you can do it again, go back to the key, go here, and go to the second one, and that's the unlock. So you click it, same options. So I want both, so I'm gonna go, oh, I went to off, and then both. And then, yeah, that's how you configure it. Alright guys, now is the moment of truth. We're gonna test out the system. So right now it's unlocked, we're gonna lock it. Got the one beep, lights flashing. It's gonna continuously flash for a few seconds and then it's gonna go to momentarily, I believe. Yep, so now see, it's just gonna beep every, not beep, but flash every couple of seconds. So now we know the system's armed. Now when we unlock it, it should beep twice. There we go. It's all working good. Alright guys, that's it. That's the alarm installed, the install, the coding, everything done. Now we do unlock it. We got the beeping now. So we know that the system's working, we tested it out, everything is good. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if for more content. We just got this alarm install done, we tested it out, made it all look good. So yeah, I have a vacuum canister relocation kit coming in, so that's up next. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.